turn it this way. Yeah.
Back on. That's for you. I love my tapings. It's so natural, so cute. We have 18, 20, and 22. Shout out to Bree. What's up, y'all? So, currently in the Zaxby line, of course. About to get myself something to eat and head to the house. I got this down because the sun was in my face. But I'm about to get something to eat. My face is so chubby. And head to the house. I need to put away laundry. And what else that I need to do? I need to put the baby hospital bag in the car and my bag in the car. I'm trying to see. What else, you guys? I haven't worn makeup in a minute. I almost forgot how to do it. So yeah, so I need to get myself situated. I'm so sleepy, so I know once I take my makeup off, I'm going to take a nap. I'm gonna go ahead and take it. I'm gonna get this makeup off, take a shower, and eat, and watch a little bit of TV before I put away my clothes. You know, do small little errands. I have like literally just probably like 2 or 3 errands that I need to do. That's at the house, and I'm going to bed early because I'm so tired. I actually got some good rest last night, so that's good, because if you know, you know. We're going to see family this weekend, so I'm excited about that. I'm looking forward to that. Zaxby is taking a long time today, and the line is not even long, but it's cool. I'm ready to slurp down this sweet tea. But I'll talk to you guys later. Just want to give you guys an update. I love my hair. Shout out to Bree. And we have the Pink Luxe hair extensions. The tape-ins in. Love them. Love the quality. Bomb. I will insert some clips so you guys can see, or you guys probably already seen it. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Like so. And I love that it's so versatile. Yo, I'm about to bust. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. The house, of course. I'm about to take this makeup off and get in the shower. So